Hello children, a very good morning from your English teacher Nida ma'am. Hope you all are enjoying at your home. So first, let's have a quick recap of whatever we have covered in the last session. The objective of this chapter is learning the process of preserving our heritage. The toy train, which runs from Metupalayam to Ooty, has been declared as a heritage train by UNESCO. It passes through 16 tunnels, 250 bridges, and 208 curves. It starts from Metupalayam from 7 a.m. in the morning and starts its return journey from Ooty at 2 p.m. The three main stations in between are Coonoor, Wellington, and Lovedale. The train has a steam engine with 5 bogies in shades of blue and cream. While going uphill, the engine is at the back. Why? Because it has to push the rest of the train. While going downhill, the engine is in the front, so as to stop the train from running off. Children, I hope you have understood the chapter read till now. So today we are going to start with the new paragraph of reading and comprehension. The train runs at a slow speed of 30 kilometers per hour on plains and moves at the speed of about 10 to 15 kilometers per hour on slopes. जो टॉय ट्रेन थी वो 30 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर की स्पीड में प्लेन्स पे चलती थी और 10 to 15 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर की स्पीड में स्लोप्स पे चलती थी और वो बहुत स्लो चलती थी. It is the best way to discover the beauty of the Nilgiri mountains, which look misty blue in color as if they are covered in a blue veil. What is the meaning of veil? A thin covering that stops you from seeing something clearly. So it was the best way to discover. जो नीलगिरी माउंटेन्स थे उनको बहुत अच्छा तरीका था डिस्कवर करने का. और वो कैसे लगते थे? They look blue in color. It journeys through steep hills, deep ravines, green forest, and sweet scented tea gardens. So what is the meaning of ravines? Ravine, a deep and narrow valley with steep sides. So जो उनकी जर्नी थी टॉय ट्रेन की वो कहाँ से जाती थी? स्टीप हिल से राविन्स. राविन मीन्स डीप वैलीज. It was going through the tea gardens and tunnels, green forest and sweet scented tea gardens. People wait for the tunnels eagerly. People बहुत ही eagerly wait करते थे tunnels का. They have fun by laughing and screaming aloud as soon as the train enters the darkness of a tunnel. So people used to have so much of fun when they used to go inside the tunnel. When they used to enter the tunnel, they used to laugh loud and they used to scream aloud. There are many stops for refreshment. What is the meaning of refreshment? Small amount of food and drink. So there are many stops for refreshment where can get out and enjoy the views and the wildlife. So वहाँ पे ट्रेन में बहुत सारे स्टॉप होते थे ताकि लोग वहाँ पे उतर के रिफ्रेशमेंट ले सकें, कुछ खा सकें और enjoy कर सकें व्यू वहाँ का और वाइल्ड लाइफ. People are very happy to choose from the variety of very hot cups of tea available. So what is the meaning of available? Something ready for use or for buying. So people were very happy to choose the variety of very hot cups of tea available. वहाँ पे तरह तरह की वैरायटी होती थी tea ki, or people used to taste that tea and they used to feel very happy. Sometimes the train stops for other reasons, like a fallen tree on tracks or an elephant blocking the way. So कभी कभी कुछ अलग reasons होते थे ट्रेन का स्टॉप होने के लिए, जैसे कि कभी कोई पेड़ गिर जाता था ट्रेन के ट्रैक्स पे, या कभी एलिफेंट आ जाता था और उनका पूरा वे ब्लॉक कर देता था ट्रैक का. Passengers can lean out of the windows to pick wildflowers on those stops. So passengers can lean out. What is the meaning of lean out? Means tilt and bend. So passengers वहाँ पे वाइल्ड फ्लावर्स उठा सकते थे और वहाँ का व्यू enjoy कर सकते थे. Throughout the journey, they click pictures of the beautiful scenery. So throughout the journey, पूरी जर्नी में वो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे फोटोज लेते थे और ब्यूटीफुल सीनरी की और वहाँ का व्यू एंजॉय करते थे. The toy train to Ooty has been part of many films and documentaries. What is the meaning of documentaries? A film on a topic or subject. So toy train बहुत सारी फिल्म और डॉक्यूमेंट्री का पार्ट रह चुका है. A famous song from the movie Dil Se, which was pictured on well-known actor Shah Rukh Khan, was filmed on this train. So, a famous song from Dil Se movie, it was picturized on well-known actor Shah Rukh Khan and was filmed on this train. About 5 lakh people travel every year in the train. So about 5 lakh people they used to travel every year in this train. Many people say that it seems like not much has changed on this route over the past 100 years and the scenery is as lovely and exciting as ever. So the people used to say that it seems like nothing has changed over the past 100 years. It is the same as it was before, and the scenery is as lovely and exciting as ever. A ride in the toy train to Ooty is the best way to discover the timeless beauty of this area. So, what is the meaning of timeless? Ageless, not affected by change in time. So, children, hope you have understood the chapter. Yes? So, children, please read the chapter thoroughly. The more you will read the chapter, the better you will understand the chapter easily. Here are the word meanings at the right side. Please learn the words and their meanings. I hope you have completed the previous assignment which I have given to you. I have attached an assignment related to today's session. Please complete your assignment. It's a humble request to the parents to help your ward in reading the chapter and in completing the assignment. So children, see you in the next session. Till then, be safe and be healthy. Bye bye.